Hello, this is question 2 on your OCR June 2022 AS paper 2, and it's an equation. We have to solve it and we have a square root, so the first thing I would recommend you to do is square it, so we get rid out of the square root from the beginning. Yeah. So if we square both sides of the equation, we have 3x plus 1 squared is going to be equal to 4 root x squared. First, we can expand this bracket, so it's going to be 9x squared plus 2 times 3x is 6x plus 1 is going to be, this 1 square is this square and this square, so 16x. And when we put all the terms together, so we collect like terms, minus 10x plus 1, and now we have a quadratic, so it's just factorizing the quadratic. Remember, when we have a coefficient here, we are looking for two numbers that time together give me 9 and added together give me minus 10, so in this case will be minus 1 and minus 9. So we can write this as minus 9 minus 1 equals 0. So we are separating this minus 10x in minus 1x and minus 9x. And then we factorize this expression. So the first half and then the other half. The first half, when we factorize it, we have x, 9x minus 1. And the second half, we have 9x minus 1. And we want to factor equal here and here. So that's why I put the minus and factorize with the minus. Then we have this factor, and the other factor is going to be x minus 1. So x minus 1, 9x minus 1 is 0, and my solutions are going to be x equals 1 and x equals 1, 9. Yeah, and that's all with this question. I would say every time you have square root in an equation and you have to solve it, I would start squaring the whole equation. Yeah, that's all.